Yes, sir.
During my contemplations, I sometimes wonder, because doing, like questioning and putting the attention on me and then questioning what that is, that's still an experience.
Yeah.
So I could look at the wall and ask, what's for dinner? Like what's the difference basically?
Yeah.
So sometimes I'm like, what am I doing here? Is this really fruitful?
I will give you a difference, but forget about it, okay? After I do, because we'll want to turn it into a method, you see. Let's create a cosmology, shall we? Okay? Let's kind of formulate something here, all right? Because I know, you know, how desperate you are for something. Should I? Let's postulate that everything is consciousness. Okay, and that mind is a form of consciousness. Experience is a form of consciousness, etc. Yeah? See, and so it's not a direct consciousness, but it's a form of consciousness, a limited form of consciousness that forms itself up in this marvelous way. So it's all the consciousness you got now. And when you put your attention, because you're still there, see, you are what you are. And when you put your attention on, the best thing you can do to become conscious of your true nature, yeah, is to put your attention on you. It's not really you. It's okay. It's okay to do whatever you want, right? But that drives your attention in as if a direction, and you keep it there until you become directly conscious of you. See? So you're taking as if a limited form of consciousness and driving it to an absolute form of consciousness. See? So that's what you do, say, until you become directly conscious. Yeah? So if you do stare at the wall and ask what's for breakfast or something, that attention is going in the wrong place, because you'll probably just start salivating and, you know, and get bored looking at the wall. I'm not saying it absolutely wouldn't work, but it's not the preferred method. Because you're not now intending to grasp you in that moment. You know, and I know you'll go through all kinds of stuff about you, what you are, where do you put your attention, and all that kind of stuff. I understand. But, you know, just keep at it. Remember what Einstein said. It's not that I'm so much smarter than everybody else. I mean, he was, but it's not that I'm so much smarter than everybody else. He said, I stay with the problem longer. That's called contemplation. See? You're staying with the problem. You're keeping whatever consciousness you've got, in whatever limited form it is, on the matter. See? Pressing into the matter.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.